Hey there, this is Dean with sciatica-relief-now.net, and I am with Janette Feliciano, who is in the Palm Springs area of Florida, and she has been dealing with sciatica for the past 2 weeks. And literally 10 minutes before we talked, she had just laid down in bed after coming back from her orthopedic surgeon's visit, and they are going to be doing an MRI because he is pretty convinced that she has a bulging disc or a herniated disc in her back, and she's been having pain down her right side from her low back through her bum down the back of her leg. And I've been with her for the past 30 minutes now, doing some exercising and some activities. And when I started, she reported her pain was a 20 on a 0 to 10 pain scale. And those of you who have sciatica know exactly what she means. Most of it was in her butt. She wasn't able to twist. She wasn't able to move much. And now if you can look at her face, obviously it's a little different now than it was, because now she's at least sitting up and moving. But I want to first of all say, Janette, thanks for taking me up on this offer. Thanks for letting me use this for marketing purposes. And please, if you would tell your story.
Oh God, I've been having this pain for a few weeks now. I mean, I just literally wanted to jump off a bridge from how bad it was hurting. Couldn't sit, couldn't move, couldn't drive, can't pick anything up, could barely go to the bathroom, needed help getting up from the toilet. It was just extremely horrible. Went to the ER, went to the orthopedic, went to a chiropractor, I got a massage, and it just feels like it was a small Band-Aid that only lasted while it was happening. As soon as I'd get in my car from these visits, it was just right back, and sometimes even worse. But since I got on the phone with you, you actually have me moving, which is like a huge improvement for me.
Okay, and you said your pain went from a 20 to a...
I'd say from a 20, I'm probably down to a 2, because I still feel a little sore. You know, so it feels like, I got beat up a little bit. I guess that'll take some time, but I mean, it's a huge improvement. I mean, I'm very happy.
Okay, you said it was about 80% better?
Yeah.
All right, and I'm looking at you, and I want to tell you, please don't do what you're doing right now.
Which is what?
Which was rubbing the soreness on your right side.
Oh, yeah.
What should you be doing instead?
Rubbing my left side.
Boom, you learned. Yes,
left side.
Rub the left side if the right side is sore, because otherwise you're just basically doing this to yourself, and it's sore and it's sore and it's sore. So yes, it is natural tendency to try to stretch what's tight. It's a natural tendency to try to rub what's sore. But as you have found out over the past 3 weeks or so, it hasn't really helped you. So
no, it's been worse.
Yes. Well, I appreciate you taking me up on this. I'm so glad you were able to get 80% better. And I'm glad the pain's minimal. Please don't overdo it today.
I'm not.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks.
Fix your hair up and then I'll start.
Yeah, right. Hold on. Wait, let me get.
Okay, hold on. I'll pause the video. I won't put that on. Maybe I will. You never know. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right.